What's going on, everyone? Well, we got a Lexus GX 550 today, and it's got a GPS tracker in it that the dealer has installed. I'm going to show you where it's at and how to remove it, okay? The reason I know there's one in here because it has this white sticker right here, okay? This is a factory sticker here, a factory sticker here, and a factory sticker here. But if you see anything like this in your car, okay, some of this technologies or has FCC numbers on it, it's going to be a GPS tracker. A lot of times they like to install them underneath the dash and they're connected to the OBD plug. This one's not. This one's actually under the hood. So the GPS trackers need power and ground to work. That's all they need. It's just a box and they need power and ground. So they can get it from the OBD connector. So the GPS trackers are just a little box that have two wires coming off them a lot of times. Just power and ground. That's all they need to work. So they're normally wired into the OBD. Sometimes they use a connector and they can actually do a little more tracking than you think. Okay, so the GPS tracker normally looks like a box with some wires hanging off it. Sometimes they have a plug, sometimes they have some loose wiring. Some of them that plug into the OBD. Okay, so the GPS tracker, for it to actually just function, it needs just power and ground. Some of the GPS trackers are a little more advanced than that, where they actually plug into the OBD and they can get real live data from the car, okay? So this one here, they've hidden it, knowing that it just needs power and ground, they've hidden it under here, okay? So we know that there's power and ground wherever it says relay and fuse. And if we look here, we got some wire just chilling, okay? Hanging out. The factory doesn't really do that. They don't really have wires hanging out. They put everything in loom like that. So if we go ahead and take this off, here's our GPS tracker here. Just kind of installed like this. Okay. If we look, this is actually the same exact sticker that's on the door with the FCC number and everything like that. I don't want to show you any of these numbers. But these things, I guess they're designed to give you peace of mind that you could track your car if someone steals it or something. But they're extremely easy to find, okay? Now, the reason why this is in the car, who knows? Leave me a comment in the comment box. Let's have a conversation about why these are actually in here. I know for a fact they do just increase the price of the car when you buy them brand new. It's one of the ways the dealership makes money, just by increasing the price by selling these like as add-ons. It doesn't take much to remove it. Okay, it's just two wires. So I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could support the channel by hitting subscribe and like, and leave me a comment if you could. Let's have the conversation.